My Tree House, written by Anthony Curran, illustrated by Karen B. Jones. Focus question. What can you find in this tree house? My tree house has a big sign. My tree house has a tall ladder. My tree house has a wooden door. My tree house has a cozy cot. My tree house has a little window. My tree house has a long deck. My tree house has a pretty view. My tree house has a silly slide. Connections, writing, and art. Create a new page for this book. Draw a picture and complete the sentence, My tree house has a art. Draw your own tree house and share your picture with a partner.